welcome to HN Evening News Bulletin with me, Clinton D'Souza, and here are the top stories. The controversy around the high contagious structure, likely of residential and commercial purposes next to the protected area of the St. Cajetan Church, is intensifying with conversationalists, students, and activists willing to go any extent to protect Goa's heritage and prevent such encroachment at the World Heritage Site. As per UNESCO rule, within the radius of 1 kilometer, no structure, legal or illegal, can come up near the heritage site. While as per the Central Act, within the radius of 300 meters, it's no development zone. Then how did the authorities give permission to the alleged illegal construction coming up at the St. Cajetan Church, Old Goa? The protesters protesting against the illegal structure have demanded immediate demolition of these buildings or face consequences.
The illegal structure at Old Goa has created a storm wherein Goans have come out in protest to save the World Heritage Site. As per UNESCO rule, within the radius of 1 kilometer, no structure, legal or illegal, can come up near the heritage sites. While as per the Central Act, within the radius of 3 to 400 meters, it's a no developmental zone. Then how the authorities gave permission for alleged illegal construction coming up near the St. Cajetan Church, Old Goa, the protesters have questioned. Now the protesters protesting against the illegal structure have demanded immediate demolition of this structure, or they are ready to take the law in their hand to protect Goa's heritage site watch.
This particular structure is coming within the radius of 1 kilometer of the World Heritage Site. The rule is what? Within 1 kilometer of the radius of World Heritage Site. This is UNESCO rule. No structure, illegal or legal, can come up. The UNESCO committee comes, inspect, and they de-notify the site if their rules are not followed. This has happened in case of Hampi. Of course, they have got it back. Yes, Sagarul Flout Korun, they have been given the sanat and they are putting up that structure plus CRZ violation. They want an unobstructed view of the Diwar Island and the Mandavi River. Kine challa hai? This is complete. It is abetting the Adil Shah's wall, Adil Shah's palace side, and the Cajetan Church. Cajetan Church is just next to. So you have one side Cajetan Church, another side you have this illegal structure. What is happening? It is not only Old Goa is not only a religiously sanctified place. It is also a major, the only World Heritage Site that we have. So we can't afford to lose it. So this structure has to be demolished. This structure has to be demolished, otherwise people will take law in their hands and it will be demolished.
Next to the heritage structures, what can be allowed is just the repairs. But they have asked for repairs and they are doing a construction, a full-time construction. So there have been lies that have been told in the proposal itself, where they are saying that they had a house over there, where actually what was present was just a lodge. Is a place where you keep the coconuts, and that has been destroyed. It was around 50 square meters place. So now, while asking for the permission, they have asked for repairs of a house, and the photograph of the house that is attached, when the team that was concerned, they tried to find out from where this house has come, which was never seen in this place. And finally, after a long research, they stumbled in Parsen, in Perne, and they found that this house is present in Parsen, and that has been presented over here, that this house was in this place, and we are applying for the permission for repair of this house.
The Marsa industrial area close by gets regular water supply, but the village of the Gaune in Ponda Taluka has irregular water supply. You can also say that they don't have water at all. It's now 6 years they are getting empty promises from the PWD. Their area has been without water for past 8 days.
Locals have been announced over irregular water supply. Locals from Shigmon and Gaune are tired after making lot of efforts and even thereafter are not getting proper regular supply of water. Some of the locals even said that they are tired after several efforts with memorandum to the PWD officials and even met their local MLA Sudin Davlikar. The locals also said close to them there is Marseille Industrial Estate and it is also not getting enough water supply, while at some places the industrial estate is getting enough water, while the taps of the village area locals are running dry. as well as low pressure makes it difficult to get water. The locals said if there is a problem in the pipeline, then the PWD should change it. They further added that it's now 6 years that they are getting empty promises, and on the other hand, officials of PWD are not giving satisfactory replies and preferring silence on the issue to why the locals are getting low pressure supply besides supply on alternate days. Watch.
आमचे गांवांनी ऑर्डर उदक कित्याक मेळना आं आतां फाटले तेंपार आमी हांगा मिडिया हाडून सुद्दां आमी हांगसर हें घेतलें तेन्ना तेणें आमकां कितें 1 म्हयनो आमकां उदक दिता सांगलें तें कित्याक दिवना आतां 3 म्हयने जाले तेका
कोणी सांगलेले PWD
PWDने सरान सांगलेलें पोलीस सुद्दां आसतना आमी हांगसर तेंचे कडेन वाद केल्लो तेन्ना आमकां सांगलेलें कित्याक आमकां उदक 1 म्हयन्यान दिता तें कित्याक दिना अजून सुद्दां आनी आतां हें उदक एकाक 12 जर सोडलें जाल्यार आतां हांगासर सुद्दां कित्याक पावना
कितले 10 दीस जाले मातूय उदक येना नळाक घेना बरें टँकर येता तो केन्ना येता तुमकां हांगासर आतां हे 4 दिसांक हेच्या पयलीं बी अशें जातालें हांगासर
उदक ना आमकां उदक अर्द्या वाड्याक येता अर्द्या वाड्याक येयना उदक अशें कशें शेजाऱ्याक येता आनी आमकां येयना सोडटा जाल्यार सगळ्यांक सारकें सोडपाक जाय
सो केन्नाच्यान हो इशू आहा तुमचो उदकाचो
आतां जाली ना गे 2 वर्सां 8 दीस कंटिन्यू आमकां आतां उदकूच ना
आनी आतां सद्याक तुमी आतां उदक कितें टँकराचें येना तुमकां उदक
आमकां टँकराचें हाडपाक जमना इतल्या रस्त्यावरच्यान आमी कशें हाडटलीं घरा कडेन
उदक हाडून आमकां 15 दिसता रे एक कोळसून म्हाजे कडेन आतां धायनी निसाळ केल्लें पळय बांयचें उदक हाडून हांवें जाम जालें आतां आमचें उदकूच मेळना आमकां सकयलो काय कोणाक तेमकां मेळटा पूण आमकां एक कोळसुली मेळना ते ताका सांगताय बाबा उदक आमकां मेळना रे म्हाजे कडेन धायना कशें आमचें आमकां जालें आतां 2 कोळसुली बांयचें हाडटा म्हणजे
नळाक मात्तूय येना उदक तुमकां
मात एक कोळसुली ना रे बाबा एक कोळसुली पळय टँकराचें उदक घेतलें तें आतां नाता आमी भुरग्यांना हाडयला
पयऱ्यान तांकां उदक येता एक दीस सोडून एक दीस तेवूय उदक तांकां सारकें येना म्हणजे गांवड्या परिस्थिती अशी जाल्या आनी खरेंच म्हाका वायट दिसता की बांदोडा ज्युरिडिक्शना पडटा म्हणून तांकां नळ आसा पूण नळाक उदक ना आयज सुद्दां तेंचो एक मोठो इशू जाल्लो हांव आनी पंचाचो घोव सगळी लायन पेट्रोलिंग करून येयले खंय वाल बंद आसा खंय कितें जाता हें पळोवन आयले पूण लायनीक पळोवपाक गेल्यार प्रेशरूच ना आनी प्रेशर नाशिल्ल्या कारणान तांकां त्या गांवांत उदक पावना पूण त्या वाठार जो आसा तो अक्षरशः वायट कंडिशनांत आहा उदका खातीर सो डिपार्टमेंटान तेजेर बरी लक्ष दिवन मातशी कितें तरी स्टडी करून तेंचो इशू बेगीनचे बेगीन सॉर्ट करचो हेच म्हाजी हें आसा रिक्वेस्ट आसा.
Recently, we brought to you a story of a village in Satri which doesn't have even proper road for an ambulance to come by. Today, we will show you how students in Satri Wadpur are forced to walk miles away from their homes just to attend online classes.
While everyone is fighting this ongoing pandemic, there are students across the state who are fighting against network issues. Today in this story, we will show you how students in Satri Wadpur are forced to walk miles away from their homes just to attend online network classes. Some students also allege that after several complaints about the network issue, nothing has been done. Their situation is getting worse day by day. This story is brought to you by Aniket Narvikar.
तुमकां ऑनलायन क्लास आसता?
हय आसता डेली आसता बट मदीं मदीं न्हू नेटवर्क वयता लायट वयता आनी नेटवर्कूय वयता आनी आमकां हे ऑनलायन क्लास अटेंड करूंक मेळना मदीं मदीं लॅब जाता आनी
कसलें नेटवर्क आसा तुमच्या गांवांत कसलें नेटवर्क आसा काय कसलेंच ना?
BSNL आसा बट तें आसता मदीं मदीं बंद करता आनी शिकपाकूच मागीर मेळना आमकां आतां खूब नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम जाता आमी हांगासून आतां बामरार वयता कित्याक आमकां नेटवर्क जाय थंयसर नेटवर्क मेळना मागीर आमी कशें शिकपाचें टिचरी म्हणटा क्लास एटेंड करा पण आमी क्लास एटेंड करपाक वयता तरी सुद्दां आमकां थंय नेटवर्कूच मेळना मागीर आमी कितें करपाचें सरकारान मातशें बेगिनाचे बेगीन आमकां टावर बांदून दिवपाचो मागीर
आनी सद्या तुमी कितें मिन्स करता कितें घरा कडेन तुमकां आतां इतले म्हयने जाले न्हू कितले म्हयने जाले स्टार्ट जावन तुमचे आतां
3 म्हयने जाले
3 म्हयने जाले 3 म्हयन्यान ते कितले शिकले तुमी लायक
कितें शिकयलें तें कळाच नासलें आनी नेटवर्का खातीर मातशें कळा तशें पूण मदींच नेटवर्क वचा मागीर मदींच लेफ्ट जाय मगे कितें करूं आमी एटेंडन्स दिवपाक मेळनासली सारकी
आतां तुमी कोदाळच्यान बांबरार वयता कितले दूर आहा तुमकां?
10 किलोमिटर
10 किलोमिटर चलत वयता?
चलत वयता आनी चलत येता.
आमच्या हांगासर नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी आमी आमची आतां भुरगीं शिकपाची 9th आहा एक चेडो 11th आतां वयता आनी म्हाका आमच्या मिनिस्टराक रिक्वेस्ट करपाचें आसा की काय तरी हांगासर आमचे एक टावर बसोवपाचो आनी आणखी आहा भुरगीं तेंचे बी ह्या आसा प्रॉब्लेम न्हू आनी हांगा नेटवर्क मेळना काय ना ती आतां हांगासर बांबरार वयता थंयसर चलून वयता आमच्या भुरग्यांक मातशी चलून वचपाक भंय दिसता न्हू वाटेक जनावरां मेळटा नाजाल्यार आनी कसले तेन्ना हांव इतकें सांगूंक सोदता की आमचे हांगासर टावर कसलो तरी बसोवपाचो जिओचो नाजाल्यार BSNLचो पूण कसलो तरी बसोवपाचो.
डेली वरान तांकां सकाळीं नेटाचेर व्हरोन म्हाका बांबरार 8 पावचें पडटा. एकटे 10वी आहा दुसरो 8वी आहा चेडो आनी व्हडलें चेडो आहा ते 12वी वाळपय वयता 12वी करून ते कंप्युटराक वयता ताका परत 9 पावचें पडटा. अशें डेली म्हाका त्रास खूब जाता. अशें आतां 2 वर्सां जालीं. गेल्या वर्सा ताका 12वी घरांक सोडी हांकां नेटार सोडी अशी 2 वर्सां त्रास जाले. परत मी कोणाचे कामाक वयता आनी तांकां शिकयता 500 रुपया म्हाका दिसाडो मेळटा आनी परत प्लस गाडयेक म्हाका 100 रुपया पेट्रोल घालचें पडटा आनी म्हाजो टायम खूब वेस्ट जाता. म्हाका तांकां अजून सुद्दां शिकोवपाचें आसलें पूण अशें करून म्हाका शिकोवपाक हें जाता न्हू त्रास जाता.
Now the newly opened Atal Setu, named after Prime Minister late Atal Bihari Vajpayee, doesn't look like a state-of-an-art bridge of an international standard. It is now replicants of a mock ruler back. Once again, issues related to Atal Setu is back in the headlines after numerous repairs, yet the potholes on this bridge are getting bigger and bigger day by day. Take a look.
Here we are on the Atal Setu bridge in Pancham. Our video journalist Abhijit Jadhav has shown each and every area of this bridge. This bridge was opened for public from the 5th of February 2019. Within 2 years, this bridge was repaired many times. Several accidents reported and issues raised. Once again, we will show you the present condition of this bridge. Both the sides of this bridge is completely bad. Both the lanes are filled with deep potholes.
And now for the weather forecast. Goa will witness light moderate spells of rainfall with short intense spells in very likely at isolated places over North Goa and South Goa during the next 24 hours. Rain is likely to accompanied with wind speed of around 45 kilometers per hour. Fishermen are advised not to venture the sea. Well, that's all we have in today's news bulletin. For updates, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel HCN Goa or follow us on Twitter and Facebook to stay alerted by following us at Oharan. Until then, goodbye and take care.